Hey there, welcome to Future Bike Hub 2009. We've got a cool new motorcycle to show you today, the ZX Phantom R 2026. This bike isn't just sweet looking, it's also packed with cool tech and eye-catching design. First up, let's talk about the looks. The ZX Phantom R 2026 has some serious edge with its sharp LED taillights that glow and shine brightly. When you see this bike, there's no doubt you'll draw attention, whether it's daytime or nighttime. Not only that, but the wide rear tire, dual exhaust system, and beefy rear frame make this bike really stand out from the crowd. You can check out its performance on a slow, rotating platform, getting a true sense of its angles and design features. As the bike spins slowly, you'll see the sleek lines, aerodynamic shapes, and intricate details that make this bike so unique. Meanwhile, the bright showroom lights reflect off the polished surface, highlighting the premium feel and high-quality paint. Every single angle is carefully built for an eye-catching display. Whether it's the contours, lines, or the intricate details of the frame, this motorcycle isn't just a pretty picture. It's built with advanced aerodynamics to ensure stability and performance, while its lightweight and strong frame ensures that safety gets a top priority. Every curve, line, and element is carefully positioned for maximum efficiency and visual impact. When you ride the ZX Phantom R 2026, you'll experience not just a sporty motorcycle, but a cutting-edge piece of technology that's all about style and thrill. For riders who like their bikes to look the part, go ahead. This one is for you. If you're all about futuristic sports bikes and stunning designs, then the ZX Phantom R 2026 is guaranteed to leave you impressed. Of course, this motorcycle is just the beginning. It's the perfect blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, so you'll want to keep an eye on it as it continues to evolve. If you're a fan of futuristic sports bikes, or just enjoy great design and engineering, then the ZX Phantom R 2026 is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Who knows, maybe one day we're gonna see a ZX Phantom R 2026 racing around town. So keep your eyes out and enjoy the ride.